This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the phone number and account linkage, so Telegram sends the code to the right place. Make sure the SIM is active, the device has signal, and SMS or call service is enabled. Once done, force close Telegram and restart it to clear transient errors, then request the code again. If network looks weak, move to a stronger signal or enable airplane mode for a few seconds and re-enable cellular services to refresh registration with the carrier. Now focus on delivery pathways. If SMS fails, choose Telegram's call verification option because calls bypass some SMS filters. Next, inspect carrier settings, DND, and any spam or blocker apps that could intercept shortcodes. Make sure your phone isn't set to auto-filter unknown senders. If issues persist, switch networks, use mobile data versus Wi-Fi, or insert the SIM into another phone to rule out device-specific problems, and confirm the carrier is active. To finish, try signing into Telegram on another device or desktop client. Sometimes the desktop flow uses a different channel and succeeds. If that fails, use the in-app support request and clearly state your phone number and the failed verification method so they can escalate. If you suspect carrier blocking or rate limits, wait 24 to 48 hours before retrying and contact the carrier with any error codes. Tip: if nothing works, insert the SIM in a different phone to isolate hardware versus network causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.